Hey, I'm Rachel Ngom from She'sMakingAnImpact.com, and today I want to share with you one of the biggest takeaways I had from our selling retreat that I just attended. So I wrote this down in my notes, and it says, shift your vision. And it's about the people that you're serving and how they'll make a bigger impact. And so it was Chris from the Campfire Effect. I forget his last name. Silly me, I should have written it down. But he was teaching us about doing sales calls. And he said, when you're doing these, you have to take the pressure off of yourself and don't think about, making the sale. Think about what's the transformation that's going to happen in the lives that that person can touch because she made that call. So one of the assignments was actually to go out during one of the breaks and to make a sales call. And we came back and kind of shared our experiences. Man, one of the girls stood up and said, I just had this feeling that I needed to call one of my past clients and just touch base with her. So again, it's not like I'm going to sell to somebody. It's literally seeing, how can I serve you? What do you need right now? And so when she talked to her, she said, the girl was like, I can't believe you just called me. I was literally thinking about ending my life. And I'm like gonna tear up just thinking about it, man. And they were able to talk. She was able to calm her down and help her get re-enrolled into the program and get her psychological help and all these other things. But it wouldn't have happened if she hadn't reached out to her and just cared about her and valued her. And so with everything that you're doing, it's about serving and saying, how can I help this person? And then even think bigger picture. When I help this person, how many lives are they going to touch? That's one of the coolest things I love about my business. It's a lot more than just the one client that I'm helping. It's that one client who then goes on to make a bigger impact in their business. And it's this giant, massive ripple effect. So shift your vision. It's not about you. It's about who you can help, who you can serve, and making that bigger impact.